from the HQ, Lunar girl.
When that door opens all the way, I'm going in and you're staying out. Stay back, or Flossy Flash gets it. Shoo! Shoo! Well done, Moth.
Catboy, Owlette, a moth jammed the door open. It won't close.
Block the bay door until I can get it shut.
Not so fast, Luna girl. Owl ring wins! Aha! I got your precious comic, PJ Pass. So if you don't want anything to happen to it, you'd better not try and stop me.
Oh, Luna girl.
Huh? Ow! But who's flying this thing?
I am.
Nice one, Gekko.
You help Owlette, Catboy. I go Lunar girl.
Shoo! Shoo! You asked for it, PJ Pests! Say goodbye to your precious comic.
No! Super Cat jump!
Oh no! You're too heavy! I can't hold you!
Thanks, Gekko.
You're welcome.
Lucky catch. But now you've left the door wide open. Gotcha again, PJ Pests.
You forgot someone!
Let me out, you sneaky lizard!
Not until I secure HQ by closing the bay door. And now I can let you out!
Yay!
Now that you're clumsy too, Romeo, you'll have to reverse everyone's clumsiness.
No way! I may be slippy trippy, twisty turny, and have fumble fingers, but I'll never destroy my beautiful clumsy ray. Ha! So you reverse the clumsiness by destroying the ray. No, that's not what I meant! Whoa! Too late. You've given it away now, Romeo.
Whoa!
Ha! You're too clumsy. Watch me make my getaway. This way, the weak left. Oh, do as I say, you naughty lab! Romeo's too clumsy to drive away. Whoa!
But how are we going to stop him like this?
I've got it!
When we tried not being clumsy, we were even clumsier. We crashed the cat car.
Right.
So we need to use our clumsiness. Bumble fingers, twisty turny, and slippy trippy.
Like clumsy power. Cool chameleon.
Oh!
But Romeo's lap is really zigzaggy, so we'll have to time it carefully.
Here it comes. Ready? And go!
Super Gekko Bumble Fingers!
Slippy trippy cat roll!
Twisty turny power! Super Bumble Fingers! Hang on. Wait for the ray to wear off. Wait, I'm walking in a straight line again. Oh, you PJ Masks ruined everything! It's working all right. For a good laugh.
She's got the stage? Dance competition's really in trouble now. And I'm getting it out of trouble. I don't care how silly I look.
What you need to enter is a comedy show.
It's okay, Catboy. I needed a bath. Silly or not, here I come. Spinning tornado!
Oh! Way to go! You did it!
Let's save the dance.
just saying that?
I mean it. Show us your moves. Keep stomping, then do a spinning tornado finish.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
Look at them go! Catboy's really nailing that spin. Let's take this stuff back to the school. Luna Girl's having so much fun.
She probably won't mind.
PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night they save the party! You already did this, Night Ninja? Just wait. This is all new, and it really is my best idea ever! And you've already used the web, too. Oh, but you haven't seen the big picture yet. Psst, how does it work? Ah, yes.
I don't like where this is going.
I'm going to slingshot you at your silly headquarters. You'll stick to it, and I'll cover you with even more goo. You PJ Splats will be stuck there forever. This is all my fault. We wouldn't be in this mess if I hadn't tried to do some big super save.
It's going to take all of us to get out of this sticky situation.
It's time to be a hero! Quick, Gekko, get us unstuck!
Super Gekko missiles!
Yes! You're up next, Owlette! It's time for some awesome aerialness!
You got it!
Super Owl Wings! And now for the best super saveable! And we'll do it together! Owlette! Now!
Hey, Night Ninja! Incoming!
But that's impossible! How about a little PJ Masks bowling? Nice work, guys. That was the most awesome rescue ever.
You're not upset you didn't get to do your best ever super save?
My best ever super save was letting us stop Night Ninja. Together.
Gekko muscle!
Come on, Gekko, we can do it.
I don't think so. Nothing can stop my Luna-powered HQ. With my Luna crystals inside, everything's going to be mine. Aw, friends now, are we?
Yes, and Birdie and I are going to stop you. Owlette, we'll hold the gates while you get inside HQ and turn off the beam.
Ha! The doors are magnetized shut. You'll never get inside.
We need to find a way into HQ. You have a plan? Okay, Birdie, I believe in you.
Huh? What are you going to do, Feathers? Ow! Oh, you pesky bird! Come here! Ah! Hey!
Ah! Great job, Birdie. I'm gonna go help Catboy Gekko. Can you turn off the Luna beam?
They're moving! You won't beat me, puny PJ Masks. What? Hey! What happened to my Luna power?
My pet Birdie happened.
That silly bird's as bad as you PJ pests. But I'll get you next time. You mark my word.
Birdie and I will be waiting for you, and so will Gekko and I. PJ Masks all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Thanks. Now you'll all jump. Okay, playtime's over. I'm up to the town square where my remote signal will reach everyone. And if you try and follow me, I'll just zap you again.
Hey, Romeo! I'm the uncontrollable Catboy. I'm going to stop you.
In your dreams, kitty little boy. And just because you think you can stop me, I'm going to take you with me. You can watch as I take over the world. Now flip, flip, flip. Now come on.
Hey, Romeo! What about making me hop high in the air?
Ha-ha! Good idea! Hoppy, hoppy, hop! Super Gekko muscles! Huh?
Hey, what about twirls?
Twirls! I like it! What?
Romeo! Bet you can't make me dance. Upgraded somersaults, too.
Town Square, it's evil time!
Okay, it's pointing at Romeo. So, what are you gonna make me do now, Romeo?
Let me think. Oh, yes! No, not me! This can't be happening!
No one likes being controlled, Romeo. But if you take things that aren't yours, you have to put them back.
How dare you control me!
Don't you just hate it when nighttime villains complain? You're right. And now you can help us return all those stolen remotes and their inside bits.
The world takes over.
Romeo, I am coming.
I thought you guys weren't friends anymore.
Negative. I was just jealous he was spending all his time with the unit he calls Robette.
So that's why you took the equipment. You were jealous.
If we help you save Romeo, will you put it back?
Affirmative.
Great, because I have a plan. It's time to be a hero. Or should I say, heroes.
Take over the world! Take over the world! Put me down already! Never! Take over the world! Take over the world! Take over the world!
By my cat's whiskers, stop right there, Robettes. Master Fang and Kick McGee are on the case.
Now drop Romeo! Never! It's over! You want him? Catch!
Glossy Flash, super catch! Gotcha!
Nice catch, Flossy Flash. So long, PJ Monkeys. Whoa! Out. Out. Hi, I'm Robette. Wanna be friends? You PJ Puss! You dropped me off 3 blocks away when you could have easily flown me all the way here.
Romeo!
Robette! My old friend. So happy you're talking to me again.
Aww, friendship, yes.
Don't you just love happy endings? Can I get a hug? Maybe.
You didn't expect me to leave my Lunar board at home, did you?
Whoa! Super Lizard Blast! Oh no! HQ! Did I do that?
Catboy! I can't hold it much longer! Hang on, Owlette! I'm coming! Cat roar!
I suppose you're gonna blame me for that, lizard legs?
No, I have to stop blaming you.
This isn't your fault. It's mine. It's time to be a hero. And heroes take the blame for what they've done. And fix it. Super Gekko muscle! Phew! It's my fault that Luna Girl has Cameron's car. I left it out all night.
It's okay, Gekko. We'll help you get it back.
And I think I know how.
Catch us if you can!
Hey, that's mine!
messing around and get ready for my smashing finale.
I'm so sorry. I was thinking about tomorrow again, and I must have tied the rope all wrong.
Stop!
If he keeps singing, he'll blow that glass ceiling and every window in the city.
He'll be so proud, he'll never stop singing.
I have to stop worrying about playing in front of everyone. I'm gonna choose an instrument. It's time to be a hero. Super Cat Speed! Oh, everyone's watching! Hey, this isn't so bad.
What are you doing behind here? Ninjalinos! I can't be a pop star without my band. Get over here!
It's showtime, Ninjalinos.
Pop star, pop star, pop star!
You know, playing for an audience is okay. It's actually kind of fun.
I'll get you for this, you pesky PJ Masks!
PJ Masks, all shout hooray! Think you're clever, don't you? Your luck's almost run out.
Nice work, Gekko! How are we going to get Romeo's machine?
Don't worry, I know how to solve that problem too. Keep jumping, lizard legs. You won't escape my anti-gravity machine for long. Cool chameleons! This is just what I was looking for. Now I've got you. That shield's way too small to save you.
Yeah, but I'm not using it as a shield. I'm using it as a mirror.
Hey, Romeo! You couldn't hit me if I was 10 feet tall. Bullseye! No! My anti-gravity machine! Come on! Go, get Rabbit! No! Yes! Flip the switch, Catboy!
Time for things to get a little more down to earth.
No! You're ruining my plan!
I can fly again!
Yeah! HQ's back on the ground. Now we just need to fix you, Catboy. Give me my anti-gravity machine! Ah!
No way! I think it's time for this gadget to float away forever.
Catboy, zap the zapper! No!
It's time to be a hero! Super Cat Squared! If we free my copies, there'll be enough of us to beat the robots. Any ideas how, team?
I have a great one!
The PJ Masks, they're over by those trees behind you. Drop the Catboys in, get them.
Stop, Tin Cans! I'm nearly out! It's a trap!
Okay, Catboys, let's use your log inventions.
Hello!
Here comes the rest. Let's take our places.
Come on, robots! What are you PJ pests up to?
everyone! Super Cat Speed! Grab that cat, robot! Get off me! We did it! Now get those gecko muscles ready.
But if I pull out the glowy thing, you'll disappear. We won't disappear. We'll just be one Catboy together again.
Now that's a team.
Do it, Gekko.
Super Gekko muscles! Yeah!
Yeah! I'll get you, PJ Piss! You got rid of my robot army, but you'll never get rid of me! I've got a leaping lab and a robot! There's no way you Pee-wee masks can stop me! You're outmatched!
You're right. Distracting you was just part 1 of my plan. Part 2 is my backup. Didn't expect this, did ya? You're working with Lunar Girl? She wants to stop you as much as we do.
Leave the moon alone, Romeo. It's mine! Never!
Looks like it's time for part 3 of the plan, Lunar Girl.
You got it. Tickle attack! Stop it, robot! No one escapes my Luna beam. Not even you, robot.
Affirmative.
The moths, Lunar Girl, Romeo, and the robot are all busy. Now for the next step of my plan.
Super Gekko muscles!
Got it!
I can't aim my laser as I hit that telescope. Okay, no more laughing fun. Shoot us! Hey, watch where you're going, leaping lab! Get the telescope, robot!
Too late, robot.
Super Cat Speed! Done!
Cannot compute. Cannot compute.
It can't be!
It's over, Romeo. The telescope can't help you now. We took you down, one step at a time.
I've still got my space laser! What are you doing, you fool? Let it go! If you say so. No! You may have won this time, but I'll be back!
Wait for me, Master.
Hey, Lunar Girl. We worked pretty well together. Want to join the team?
That was fun, but we're out of here. So long, PJ Meathead! Can't catch me, robot!
Fluttering feathers.
They got Owlette! I have to distract Romeo until Gekko stops that clock.
But Master, I already caught her.
Complaining again? The important thing is that we've slowed down Bird Brain.
Catch me if you can, Romeo! Super Cat Speed!
Stop distracting me! I have a city to slow down!
You again? Well, you're not distracting me this time.
Super Cat Jump! You're too late, PJ Masks! Now I'm gonna blast the whole city!
Oh no!
It's a party, everyone! Let's have a blast!
Super Gekko muscle!
What?
Hey, you did it, Gekko!
How did you get there? You're still slow!
I may be slow, but by not getting distracted, I was able to get here early.
Uh-oh.
Yeah! Yes! No more slow!
Watch!
Gekko!
No, I hate the Gekko Go-Go! Curse you, PJ Masks! My time will come! My time will come!
Ninjalinos, I'm sorry. I really am. I'm not your leader. I'm just someone who needs your help.
Aw, boo-hoo. Spare us the sob story, Birdie. Pay no attention to her. I'm your leader. What? What's happening? We're too heavy! All of you jump out! Now! What are you afraid of? You're ninjas! You'll be fine! Now jump!
No! He's asking them to jump! We have to save him!
Gotcha! There.
Okay, now...
Be careful, I'm driving! All right, Ninjalinos. I'm sorry. Maybe I was a bit too snappy. Come on. Come on. Oh, I love you too, my Ninjalinos.
You're really just a big softie.
That'll do. Let's go.
Bye.
Okay, here comes Supersonic Owlette. Ready, set, fly! Super Owlette! Way to go, Owlette!
I'm going to rule the world! From the ground and from the air! Robot, give me that thing!
1 more minute.
Hand it over!
I am almost finished this level.
Catboy, you keep an eye on Romeo and Robot, while I quietly fly Gekko to the PJ Picture player and drop him in.
Right, then I deactivate the rocket in Super Gekko camouflage.
1 more minute.
Okay, but turn the sound down. Super Gekko camouflage. What? Oh, I should have known this thing would be unreliable, because I didn't build it. Right, Robot? Oh, forget it. At least HQ will be destroyed once and for all. Let's go. What? No!
Enjoy the trip, Romeo. We'll keep your teleporter nice and safe here in HQ.
Huh?
Hurry! We've only got seconds!
We did it! HQ's safe.
Oh, those PJ Pets make me so angry.
Robot wins.
Soon, only one fortress will be left standing. The best fortress! Mine!
Oh no! Now he can cross the tire bridge. This is all my fault. Night Ninja's fortress has all these new things, and when I saw them, I wanted them too. You guys were right. We don't need new things just because someone else has them.
That's okay, Owlette.
I'm sure there's something we already have that can stop him. We'll get the school buses back.
There is something we can use to stop him. A few somethings. It's time to be a hero.
Yeah!
Who has the best base? You do, Night Ninja. We don't even have a base anymore. Ours got squished. A giant fur ball? What are they trying to do? Gross me out? Nice shot, Catboy.
Thanks, Gekko.
Owlette, you're sure we only need to hit 3 of the buses on the bottom with fur balls?
Just 3. And when we yank them out of position, the rest of the buses will all come loose.
How do you like that, Night Ninja? Here's a couple more for you. Good job!
Awesome!
Well, it was the best! It was!
PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
You know what? I'm not sure I would have understood our trick.
All those lines everywhere. Confusing. That's why we're adding something. This!
Huh? When we're in position, we'll make that sign. Then you do your cartwheel.
I wish I told you the truth. Romeo would never have seen us coming.
He still won't.
You bet he won't. Let's do that move. It's time to be a hero.
Super Train, do your worst. Romeoville, prepare to rise. Hey, Romeo! You're too late, kitty litter boy. The world is mine!
Over here, Romeo.
Lizard legs? It'd be easier if you'd all turn up at once. Wouldn't have to keep explaining it. You're too late. What are you doing with your hands?
Flying cartwheel, right on top. We did turn up all at once. Your plan's over.
I wanted to sting.
Catboy!
My machines! No! We'll get you, PJ Masks!
So long, Romeo. It'll be a while before you get your machines working together again.
But when you do, we'll be working together too to stop you. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Maybe it is as cool as my cat car.
Glad you like it now, because our super vehicles are about to get crushed.
Not if I can help it. Now that I know how cool my bike is, I can use it to beat Romeo to his lab. It's time to be a hero. Super Cat Speed! Put those vehicles down, Romeo.
Stay back, you PJ pests! Or I'll crush your precious vehicles like tin cans! Where'd he go? Yeah! Huh?
Super Cat Flight!
No!
Gotcha!
You won't get away with this! I can control my magnet from my lab, too!
You can crush our vehicles if you want, but that'll mean crushing your lab too, now that I know what these buttons do. PJ Masks, go!
No, no, no! Oh, you haven't seen the last of me yet, you silly PJ pests!
Wow, it's good to have them back.
Yeah, I love my Gekko-mobile.
Our bikes are pretty cool too, though. They might not do everything our vehicles can, but they really helped us get them back.
They won't help us put all these cars back, though. That'll take Super Gekko muscles.
Now, do I want to be Mayor Romeo or King Romeo?
Master, you need to look outside.
What? My lab is moving? That's impossible! It's not charged! Ah! Get out! Get out! Robots!
Super Cat Speed!
What? Why won't it go? It was just moving!
Yeah, it was moving. Thanks to my Super Gekko strength.
You tricked me! My box!
Master, remember the...
Booby traps!
Are you all right?
I'm fine, as long as we don't step on another booby trap. My big box of fun! It's okay. Is it? Hey, my lab's charged.
It worked. The city's back to normal.
I'll be back, PJ Masks!
Give me back my drum! Ha, you foolish feline. You care so much about your drum, you totally forgot about your friends.
Where?
Ta-da! Catboy! Now I even have the perfect decoration for my Ninja Parade floats.
I ruined everything. Just trying to get my drum back.
You don't need it.
Yeah, you can lead our parade without it. I don't think so.
You can clap and stomp.
You're right. Even without a drum, I can lead you guys better than him.
Then let's do it, Catboy!
It's time to be a hero. Let's fix this parade. Super Cat Speed!
What? Ninjalinos, in formation!
Now let's see who's the best parade leader.
Ha! You don't even have a drum.
Heroes don't need drums, Night Ninja. Not when they have super moves like this. Come on, PJ Masks. Let's put the beat back in this parade.
Yeah! What?
Oh.
Stop it, Ninjalinos!
The Ninjalinos love your beat.
They're parading to it.
You're right. I can lead them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look left, look right, turn and back, and figure of 8, and somersault. Oh, they just go wherever the wind blows.
Wait, that's a great idea, Gekko. Wherever the wind blows. All we have to do is get the wind blowing in the right direction. I know what to do, but I'm going to need all the gardening help I can get.
What's the plan?
Come with me. It's time to be a hero. Ready, Gekko? It's time for Operation Weed Wind. Ready, Catboy? Ready! Super Owl Wing Wind!
Hey, my seed! Stupid weed! Got them! Every seed. Oh, yeah? Just watch me grow some more.
Let's try out your idea. Regular plants love light and water, so maybe this bad moonweed won't.
It's working! No! sorry you had to come help me. Now no one's guarding HQ, and Night Ninja's gonna win. I don't even have Super Gekko sense.
You already have super cool powers, like camouflage and super lizard grip.
And they're just as amazing as you are.
You're right. Thanks, guys. Wriggling reptiles! It's HQ's Mega Meow alarm!
He's got our flag, but he hasn't won yet. He still needs to get it back to his base.
The Gekko-mobile's stuck, but if we take another vehicle, we can still beat him to the school.
And I can stop him. Not with some made-up super sense, but with my own powers. Time to be a hero!
Once I plant this flag, the school and PJ Masks HQ will be mine forever.
Huh?
You're too late, PJ Masks. Come, Ninjalinos. Now victory is mine! Looks like he's just too fast, Catboy.
There's no way to stop him from winning.
Too bad your little lizardy friend's not here to bow down to the mighty Ninja winner! But my Ninjalinos can. What's going on? Where's my flag? Ah!
Not expecting to see me, Night Ninja?
But that's impossible! You were trapped!
Till my friends got me out and dropped me here on the roof in Super Gekko camouflage. Then I just grabbed these two flags, easy peasy lizard squeezy. Now excuse me, we have some flags to plant back at our base, and a game to win. PJ Masks win!
This is your fault, Ninjalinos! You don't deserve my Night Ninja Night School! Bad students! This is pretty cool. I was so worried you were using my powers that I didn't notice how much fun it is sharing them with you.
Thanks for helping us learn to fly. This is a blast.
And it's even more fun than I imagined.
Look, there's Romeo. It's time to be a hero.
These powers are incredible.
Romeo, you're not keeping our powers any longer.
What are you gonna do? Break my PJ power copier that took me a really, really long time to build so it releases your powers? Sounds like a good idea to me.
Oops, that would do it actually.
But first you'll have to deal with my Super Gekko muscles.
Remember, everyone, follow my lead. Up now!
Super lizard grip!
You heard Romeo. All we have to do is get that machine. Now right!
Owlette! Ha-ha! Super Catboy!
Now surround him.
Super Cat Jump!
Everyone, use your super owl wings. We'll blow the power copier right out of his hands.
Owl wings!
It's working!